It's common in a Zoom meeting where you're going to have to share your screen, maybe for a presentation, or maybe other people are presenting in your meeting. There's several functions that Zoom allows so that you can share screen. But before that, we want to make sure your share screen settings is enabled properly so your participants can share. To do that, on your Zoom toolbar, there will be this little up arrow next to share. Click on Host Tools for Share. And make sure under Who Can Share that all participants are selected. This will allow anyone who joins your meeting to be able to share a screen. You as the host, if you're currently sharing a screen, even if you have all participants selected here, if someone tries to present over you, they won't be able to because of this setting here that says who can start sharing when someone else is sharing. So if you as the host are currently screen sharing, your participants won't be able to override that. However, if your participants are screen sharing and you as the host want to override that, you can because that is set to host only. Once you confirm those settings, you can actually enable the share screen by clicking on share. This is going to give you a little pop-up window. Then what you're going to see is these three tabs at the top. Usually you're going to be on the Screens tab. You have the option to share your entire screen or certain application windows. You also have the ability to share whiteboards and documents. These are built-in Zoom tools. You can also click on Advanced and see other advanced screen sharing features here. For the purpose of today, we're going to focus on screens. So if I had this presentation set up, this basic presentation, and I wanted to share that, I can select the application window. Before I hit share, if I had any audio built into this presentation, or if I wanted to play a YouTube video, for example, I also want to make sure that I have share sound selected. This will make sure that whatever I'm sharing, the audio is also shared with my participants. Then you have the ability to, I guess, adjust your display settings as far as the presenter layout. So let me go ahead and maximize this. When you have content only selected, it's only going to show you what you're currently sharing. If you select as background, it will show you as the presenter within that window, so you can move yourself around. You can also do over the shoulder, so if you wanted to have the presentation over your shoulder, or you can do a side by side. You can also have a wallpaper selected. So if you do side by side or over the shoulder, I guess only side by side has the wallpaper selection available. You can adjust that. We're going to go ahead and select none, and we're going to do content only. And if this is what I want to share, I'm going to hit share. And you can see there's this little light green border around my window. This indicates I'm only sharing my application window and not the entire screen. When I'm done with sharing, I can click on Stop Share here, and that's going to stop sharing my screen. All right, thank you.